फ्यूचर इंग्लिश रीडिंग में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम लोग बिहार बोर्ड क्लास 12 पोएम 3 नाउ द लीव्स आर फॉलिंग फास्ट रिटन बाय W.H. आउडेन पोएट इंट्रोडक्शन को हिंदी रीडिंग में पढ़ेंगे, जिसके अंतर्गत हम लोग पेज नंबर 137 का आज रीडिंग करेंगे। पेज नंबर 137। विस्टन या इसे वाइस्टन भी पढ़ सकते हैं। विस्टन हग आउडेन 1907 to 1973 who won the Pulitzer Prize in 1948 for his collection The Age of Anxiety was a versatile and intellectually vigorous poet, verse, dramatist, critic, translator, and editor. Poetry to him was a serious game which should deepen people's self-awareness, but it should in no case directly affect men's political or religious choices. His early poems exhibits his interest in political affairs and ideas, but his later poems are overtly Christian and more personal tone. As a technician, Auden explored a variety of stanza forms and meters. He had a passion for word coining and using archaic words, which makes him at times difficult to understand. He left England as early as 1939 to settle permanently in the United States. Auden's work is divided into the British and American phases. The notable works of the English phase are the orators, the dance of the death, look, stranger, Spain, and another time. The notable works of the यहाँ द ना होके दी होगा क्योंकि वॉवेल्स दी अमेरिकन phase include New Year later for the time being the age of anxiety and the shield of Achilles. The present lyric now leaves are falling fast enacts the frustration inherent in human life, the aspiration that are not fulfilled, and the sense of loneliness in which every individual lives and dies. अब उसके बाद स्टूडेंट जो ईयर्स लिखा हुआ है उसको ही हिंदी में हमने लिख दिया है अलग पेज में, आप इसे भी पढ़ लें। 1907 1907 1973 1973 1948 1948 1939 1939। अब पोएम 3 समाप्त हुआ। पोएम 3 का पोएट इंट्रोडक्शन। अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें। इसके लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।